So OPPO Malaysia recently just launched the OPPO Reno13 Pro, and I feel that this phone can be your ultimate daily driver and also daily companion. Here's why. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So why did I say that the Reno13 Pro is the ultimate companion for you? Well, because based on my experience, this thing can actually be with us and serve us and let us do whatever we want to do, even though we are stuck in the rain, even though when we are swimming, even though when we are rushing to do work, and even though we are craving for some entertainment like gaming. Even though it's raining or when you are swimming in the water and you need your phone with you, you can still bring it along because it has industry-leading IP69 water and also dust resistance. It is completely dust tight and also has level 9 water resistant that can withstand up to 80 degrees of hot water splashes and also immersion up to 30 minutes at 2 meters depth. So as you can see here, even if I put it under hot water, there's no problem. And if I want to take picture of myself inside the swimming pool, also can. So as you can see, I can easily take picture of myself while inside the water, okay, because the camera can actually detect that, oh, you're actually underwater. Let me make the picture nicer for you, okay? Not many action camera or smartphone can actually do that. Also, in case you are out of the water and you want to use your phone, there's also an auto drainage feature whereby you can press the button and it will spit out all the water. So you can continue to use your OPPO Reno13 Pro. Okay, now when it comes to gaming, what is the two things that you are afraid of when you are playing on the phone? Well, lagginess and also not smooth graphics. So you're like, yo, not nice to play. But because the OPPO Reno13 Pro comes with AI Hyperboost, and that actually helps to solve these two issues. It has AI adaptive frame stabilization algorithm, which means it's a combination of MediaTek FPS Go and OPPO AI Hyperboost for efficient resource scheduling and performance adjustment to ensure stable high frame rate. So as you can see, my gaming is so smooth and very snappy. Next, it also has AI adaptive temperature control algorithm. The name might be very long, but it basically just means one thing. While you're charging your phone and play game, it will never overheat. Next, it also has adaptive frame booster, and that also means it can double up your frame per second, okay? From 60 to 120 frames per second and consume less power. So this, compared to games that are actually 120 frames per second, you are actually able to enjoy very smooth and very snappy graphics without using a lot of battery. For enhanced in-game communication, there's AI Link Boost 2.0. It also comes with AI Game Antenna Switch. So this is basically an exclusive game antenna that will actually switch based on how the user holds the phone and also how the screen is horizontally to ensure there's lag-free, immersive gameplay. When you're out of the rain, out of the pool and stop playing games, that basically means one thing: you need to do work. Okay? So in order to boost your productivity, OPPO has also upgraded the AI Toolbox, and now it's AI Toolbox 2.0. With AI Toolbox 2.0, we now have Screen Translator. Basically, it provides on-screen or selective area translation in multiple language. In case you see something on your screen and then you're like, I don't understand this language. Okay, so you can actually use the on-screen translator to translate it to English, and then you'll be like, oh, now I understand. So if you think the OPPO Reno13 Pro is suitable for your day-to-day usage, the price is only $2,999. And if you buy now, you can actually get free gift. So to know more about the OPPO Reno13 Pro 5G, check out the link in the description below, okay? And if you love gadget videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Press subscribe, also press the bell beside it. Share this video with your friends and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!